Why painting is important in home decor. Hello friends, today I will explain to you that why painting is important in home decor. Painting provides a low-cost and easy way to update the interior and exterior of your space. Whether you want to paint the children's rooms or refresh the finish of your exterior, painting is a home decor technique that is affordable and effective. Interior and exterior painting are important for various reasons. Painting not only improves the interior of your home but also boosts curb appeal. The simplest way to enhance curb appeal is by applying a fresh coat that will yield the desired results. Begin by painting the gutters and trim to create a simple but significant change. Homes that look worn out or neglected can make it difficult for you to maintain your landscaping. You can determine the amount of repainting you can undertake according to your budget and needs. Protective coating. Paint provides a protective coating that will preserve the interior or exterior surface. It enables such areas to withstand wear and tear while protecting walls from the damaging effects of extreme weather conditions. Improving your home by applying paint will slow down the process of wear and tear. It protects your home from abrasive elements such as sun and water exposure. Property value. If you paint the walls of your home and other surfaces, the value of your property increases in the real estate market. It makes your property easier to sell to prospective buyers. Painting is an accessible solution for people who want to raise the value of their property affordably. The home will look newer and more appealing to buyers. Painting surfaces is a minor improvement that yields major returns. Painting professionals will help you choose the right type of paint for your interior and exterior painting needs. They have the skills that are required for guaranteeing the best paint job within a reasonable period of time. The type of surfaces in your home will ultimately determine which type of paint will be most ideal. Good paint covers the surface to create a smooth and neat appearance. This is not only beneficial for aesthetic purposes, but for functionality as well. Health benefits. By keeping the paint on your walls fresh, you and your family will be able to enjoy the health benefits of good air quality. Opting for a low to zero VOC paint will go a long way towards minimizing toxic fumes and promoting optimum air quality within your home. This is essential if you have young children around or people who have asthma and allergies. Use quality paint and finishes to ensure that the air quality in your home is not compromised and a healthy environment is sustained for your family. Walls and surfaces that are painted help to reduce dirt and dust. If you have plaster walls, the paint will help to prevent the buildup of dust. Final conclusion. Your home should always be a place that you look forward to going to at the end of the day. Aspects such as furniture play an important role in home decor along with the appearance of your walls. Think about the different colors that you can use to create the type of mood that you want in your home. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Lod's channel How to Make My House.